This is Mrs. Dawson. The following is an example on writing ratios in simplest form. Express the ratio 8 golden retrievers out of 20 dogs as a fraction in simplest form. Explain its meaning. 8 golden retrievers out of 20 dogs. This fraction will reduce if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So in simplest form, 8/20 is 2/5. Well, what does this mean? For every 5 dogs, there's the 5, 2 of them, here's the 2, are golden retrievers. Another way we could say that is 2/5 that was the fraction, 2/5 of the 20 dogs are golden retrievers.
This is Mr. Hardesty.
This is Mr. Hardesty.
In our next real-world example,
we'll write a
ratio as a fraction.
Lunch.
6 out of every 10 students who bought lunch today chose pizza. Express this ratio as a fraction in simplest form. Explain its meaning. 6 out of 10 chose pizza today. There is our ratio. 6 as a fraction over 6 over 10. In simplest form, we want to remove the common factor. That will be a 2 for both the numerator and the denominator. That is, and the denominator. 6 divided by 2, which is 3, and 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 3 over 5 is our ratio in simplest form. Explain its meaning. What does it represent? The 5 would represent the total students. And the 3 on the top would be those that chose pizza. We could say for every 5 students chose pizza.
Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Crafts. Shlaine can make 11 bracelets in 5 hours. How many bracelets can she make in 8 hours? One way to answer this question is to find her unit rate. In other words, in 1 hour, how many bracelets can she make? In order to do that, we're going to write the ratio 11 bracelets divided by 5 hours. And in order to get 1 hour in the denominator, we're going to have to divide 5 by 5. And to keep the fraction equivalent, we're going to have to do the same thing to the numerator. So we're going to divide 11 by 5 as well. And that is 2.2. So her unit rate is, she can make 2.2 bracelets in 1 hour. Now, using the unit rate, 2.2 bracelets in 1 hour. We're interested in knowing how many bracelets Shalane can make in 8 hours. So we're going to multiply the unit rate by 8 hours. I'm going to write that as 8 hours over 1. These common units divide out. 2.2 times 8 is 17.6. In the denominator, we have 1 times 1, or 1, so we'd have 17.6 over 1, which is just 17.6 bracelets. So the answer to the question, how many bracelets can she make in 8 hours? She can make 17.6 bracelets.